Hello. Hello. Guys. Hello. So this is what we are going to do. Here is Lucky.
What do you want me to do, Master?
I want you to look.
So this is the actual last video that we're going to do for the Roundup Dolls for a while, okay guys? Unless you guys request something else. But for a while, Abigail doesn't want the Roundup Doll videos anymore.
This is what we're doing right now, and it's really bright out. So I'm going to show you what Lucky's doing. For now, this is not going to be fine because possibly just doing this, but yeah. I'm showing you guys the background. I'm joking. But anyway, whoever is doing this, I don't care.
What do you want me to do now, Master?
I would like you to go and run around in circles and go everywhere and go crazy. So here's what we're doing, and these are my new shoes. I'm going to show you my new shoes.
Mommy, you filming the grid?
Yes? I'm filming you now.
You can film yourself sometimes too. It's your channel.
But, oh God, your thing is starting to fall out. It's starting to fall out.
Alright. You get to dare me to do 4 more dares.
Okay, I dare you to go run around, go over there, and go everywhere. Oh, it just ended by itself, I think.
Let me see.
I turned it back on, though.
We'll see.
Maybe we could put those all videos together.
Yeah.
But for now, let's just,
Abigail, it's still filming. You have to hold it.
I'm sorry. Let me get the stick up. Where's the stick go? Here.
This is a Roundup Doll video gone wrong.
Yes.
Guys, I broke it.
Yeah, but how about this is my magical wand that I hold it with. Have it.
That's what happens when you guys let Abigail hold the camera. But she's doing good. Wait, look, that's a stick for my thing. For the key. Here, this could also be a one on top.
But anyway, here you go. Hello, I would like you to go over there. Twirl around.
That was your second last dare. You get 3 more dares.
Twirl around.
Alright, your third dare. Now, you get...
Kneel. Stand up and twirl around again. Jump.
Okay, now that's the end of the video. We are going to start doing different videos now, guys. But we'll leave it up to you to give us more because sometimes we could do Roundup Doll videos, but sometimes we can't.
Here you go.
Should be the end of the video.